Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can add files and documents to your Slack workspace really quickly, for example, to share these with your team members and coworkers step by step. So let us get started. What you want to do, guys, is head over to Slack, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and after that, access the channel you would like to share your files in here on the left hand side. So let me go with that channel here for the sake of this tutorial. After that, pay attention to the text box here at the bottom. What you want to do is simply click on that plus icon here in the bottom left corner where it says attach, and after that simply select your source device, which in this case here would be my computer. Alternately, you may use the shortcut Ctrl U. After that, pick the files or locate the files on your device. Let me go with that photo or that image and also that video here for the sake of this tutorial. Wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a while, of course, depending on the file size. As you can see here at the top where it says processing uploaded file. And after a brief moment, the file will be added to your text box or message so that you can send the message with the attached file by clicking on that button here or by simply pressing enter on your keyboard. And as you can see now, the file has been added to your message or messaging history inside the channel so that your team members who joined that channel or have access to it may download it, for example, by clicking on that button here, or see a preview of it if it's an image, for example, like in this case here. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.